Attraction. Hello guys, how are you today? Today, this is Yundel again speaking with you some thoughts for today. Today, I want to talk about attraction. Guys, have you ever think about attraction? Guys, when we live day after day, we attracted to someone, we are attracted to things and some other things in life. We are attracted to the view surround us every day. So guys, I want to talk about attraction because it is part of my self-development. And guys, remember the book, The Secret, it says here, you are attracting what your future is all about. You are the one creating your future. So guys, it is about attraction. Have a moment of yourself to think what you are attracting today, what you want today, what you are attracting in your future, because we are the one who created our future. It is not easy, right? But it says here, being attracted to something, to someone, you goes your thoughts and mind to that special person, to that special thing you want. It is all about attraction. You're attracted to that person, you're attracted to that thing, you're attracted to that house you want to buy, you are attracted to that car you want to drive. You're attracting it, then you are finding a way to buy it. You're finding a way to buy that house. You're finding a way to get that person you are attracted to. So guys, attractions come from our thoughts. Remember guys, love at first sight. When you see that person, you are attracted to that person the first time you see that person. You're attracted to that person. That's it. Therefore, you say love at first sight because it begins from our thought. You are attracting to that person. You see your eyes, then the thoughts work with it, and your feelings goes with it. Therefore, you say, you feel love at first sight. Attraction is a very powerful thing in our life, guys. But still, we must control it. We must do the work, the effort, what you are going to do to get what you are attracting to. So guys, attraction. We must work again with our feelings, and the feelings goes with our thought, and that can lead us to fulfill our God-given dreams, because you are attracting something. You want to be a doctor, you want to be a teacher, you want to be an engineer, whatsoever you are attracting, it is your wish, and your wish is your command. So guys, it says here, we are the one attracting our own tomorrow. What will be tomorrow? You want to be happy tomorrow. You want to be a successful tomorrow. You want to have a harmonious life tomorrow. But the job will start today. You are attracting to things. You must do the work. So, still, there's always a work, guys, when we want something in our lives. It says here, when you are worried, it also attracts worry. So it goes hours after hours, maybe days that you are worried, you are not feeling good, you are worried and scared for something happen. When you attract worries and keep thinking about worries, then it will come to you. It says here, when you are attracting anxiety, depression, it also comes to you because you feel it, you are saying it, and you go with the flow with your feelings. Therefore, you are attracting it because, oh no, today I feel depressed, today I am sad, today I'm not feeling good. Therefore, guys, many times I've been working with myself. When I am not feeling good, I must do the work. I must acknowledge it right away. I must do the work. So either, as what I told you before, either I go to the gym to do the workout for myself, or either I'm going to bed and feel sorry for myself. So there's always a way what we can do, what we are going to do with ourselves. You are the master of your own self. So you are the one who will do the move. And it is not easy, really. It's hard. Many times I'm crying of pain and still I'm going to the gym. I don't like the heartbeat because of the anxiety. Still, I must do the work to be feeling good with myself. So guys, it says here, when you are attracting peace, a peaceful place. This is a very peaceful place, guys. I like it here. It is cold today, but still I like to sit down here before doing my vlog because I feel safe. It is peaceful and I have my own thoughts to deal with. So, I attract peace, I have peace. When you attract unhappiness, then you are also feeling unhappy and discontent because you are been thinking, attracting it to yourself that you are unhappy because of the circumstances. Because there's always a reason, guys. When we are depressed, when we are unhappy, there's always a reason why we are unhappy, right? But change the thoughts right away. I know it is not easy, guys. It is hard. I know it is hard because I've been working with myself in a long time now. It is hard, but still we must do the work because there's no other person who can do the work. So attraction, it means we must attract happiness in order to get happiness. We must attract joy in order to have joy and peace within our heart. Do the work. It's always about thoughts and positive mental attitude. You are alone. It is your life. You must do the work for your own self. It says here, when you attract gratitude, you are very grateful, then the blessings will come because you are grateful for that certain thing. So if you attract gratitude, you've been thinking in your mind, oh, thank you, I have this thing. Oh, thank you for this blessing. The more blessing will come because you are attracting gratitude, then it will also come to you. When you are attracting kindness, you want people to be kind to you. So first, you have also to do the work. What you are, it also gives back to you. What you have given, it also comes back to you. What you show to people, the people will do the same to you. So if you are attracting kindness, you are creating kindness, begin from your house, in your home, with your children, and if you are attracting it, then it will also come to you that people are kind to you. If you are attracting love, yes, love, but first when it comes to love, when you feel the attraction of love, remember, love yourself first. It's the greatest thing of all. Yes, love. My message are always spreading about love. But first, you must love yourself. Because how can you share your love to others if you cannot even love yourself? Are you aware? Are you acknowledging about it that you are loving yourself? There you are. Love yourself first in order to attract more love to people, in order to attract more love from your friends and family. So there you are. Loving ourselves is one of the greatest thing of all. Then when you have so much love within you, then you can spread the love, right? So it says here, guys, love is a great thing. It can inspire us, it can motivate us, and it can give us strength to keep on dreaming, to keep on moving in our life journey. Attraction is a very powerful thing in everything we want in our life, but still, we must do the work start from our own mind and thoughts, creating those good thoughts, attracting happiness, joy, gratitude, and attracting more love and kindness. Because when you are thinking about it, you are attracting it. You want it to come into your life, and it will come because there is the power of it. It also says, what you are thinking, it always comes to you. Focus, meditate it, and I always encourage you guys the power of meditation and prayer. What we are praying, it always comes back to us. It always been given to us. But we must listen around us. We must have that moment of silence. We must listen what God or the universe serving us. So this is my share to you guys. Attraction is a huge thing that if we are attracting all good things in life, especially love and happiness, it will come onto you in its perfect divine timing. And there is power in believing. So attract more things from your own thoughts and feelings. Guys, if you want to hear more about my message, about this self-development, which I am working with myself to move forward in this life journey, please click the like button and the bell button so you are notified every time I have a video to share. This is just a share, guys, in my daily life, what I am reading. I am not a master. I am not a psychologist. I am still in the process of learning, because knowledge through reading is also powerful. So this is my training. I am sharing it with you in hope I can also help you to be aware what you are thinking at the moment. So, guys, attraction is a huge thing that can happen to our life. And we all feel this feeling of attracting one thing to another, from one person to another. So guys, I love you all. Remember to attract good things in your life, especially love. Attract love every day. So guys, thank you so much. I love you all, and bye-bye.